Hello, my name is Johannes. I'm product manager at Metabo. Marshmallow toasting is not a common power tool application, but it's quite fun with your children. But you're a craftsman and you have to do some work. So now I show you how you can do some serious work with a tool. Let me give you one simple example. You're an electrician. So you have to shrink tubes almost every day. With this new tool, you can shrink more than 200 tubes with one battery charge. But talking about battery, Metabo also offers a huge range of corded hot air guns, starts from an entry class tool up to a programmable tool with LCD display and memory function, and one special tool, for example, for floorers. But a professional power tool solution is only complete with the right accessory. Metabo offers here several different accessories, for example, for removing paint, welding plastic, and shrinking, as we saw before. To come to an end, please do me one favor. Don't use it as a hairdryer. I already tried it. Thank you. Bye.